Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to hide chats on Snapchat. If you want to remove a chat from your feed without deleting it, this method will help you do it easily. So let's get started. First, open Snapchat on your phone. Now go to your chat list. Find the chat you want to hide. Tap on the profile icon of that chat. Now tap on the three dots at the top right. Then tap on Chat and Notification Settings. Now tap on Clear from Chat Feed. Once you do this, the chat will be removed from your feed. Don't worry, this does not delete the conversation. The chat is still saved and can be accessed anytime. If you want to get the chat back, simply go to the search bar. Type the name of that person. Open the chat and send a message. Now the chat will appear again in your chat feed. So this is how you can hide chats on Snapchat without deleting them. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.